Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw if I click the edit button, the relevant record should be displayed on the form successfully. In this video, I am going to teach after successfully display on this form, if I make the changes and click the button, record should update. Now let's back to our NetBeans. Now here, this is the index page. If you click the edit button, what happens is, if I click the edit button, this is the method, right? Get details, right? It goes to the get details function, right? Here I made this is new false. If new true mean we will be able to add the record. If new false mean we will be able to update the record, right? I have is new, I make it as false. Now here, if it is false, it goes here, right here, right? If it is false, here this one go to the update, right? If it is new, if new true mean its record should be add, it goes to the add form, add student form. If it is false mean go to the edit student.jsp page, right? This task I already shown in my basic CRUD operation, right? Right. The same thing does here as well. Get the ID. Get the ID and send into this page, right? Edit student.jsp page. All the form values we are serialized along with the ID goes to the edit student.jsp page, right? Now what I am going to do is here, first I am going to create the edit student.jsp page. So select the web pages folder, right click, new, JSP. Here we have to type the same name, edit student, right, click finish, right. Edit student page has been created successfully. Now here first what I am going to do is here, you have to select all the stuff, we have to remove it, here open the JSP tag and close the JSP tag, right. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to the same thing, right? Let's back to our edit return.jsp page, the same JSON array, the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, back to edit student.jsp page, we have to paste it, right? Here we have to import the class, right, perfect. After that what I am going to do is here we have sending the values, right? All the form values plus our student ID, right? This student ID, okay, here this student ID, right? We are sending to if name false and sending getting here, right? What is the student ID coming here, we are getting here, right? When you click the edit button, what happens is here you can see here, this is the ID, this is the ID is there, right? The ID is there, right? This ID we have to sending here, right here, okay. Now what I am going to do, we are retrieving the which page, edit student.jsp page, right? Click on this one. Now here first what I am going to do is here array list. Now you have to write the how to get it here is, first I am going to get the all the variables. First st name equal request dot get parameter. Here we have to write student ID, right? Student name st name, okay. After that second one should be the string course equal request dot get parameter. You have to write the course. After that fee mean int fee equal integer dot parseInt. You have to write here is you have to write request dot get parameter. You write fee, you have typed here as fee, right? You have received the value, all the values successfully into edit student.jsp. These are all the values, these are all the fields values. We have to retrieving edit student.jsp page here. We have to assign into the relevant variables over here. Finally this ID also, this ID. So we have to retrieving here the same int Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be the ID here. ID here also. What's the ID we are getting? This ID, right? STUID. Same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here. This is the thing we have to do. Then what I am going to do is here. Now here, let's back to our student DAO. This class, student DAO class. Double click and open it. Now here, I am going to create the new method edit. So the same insert method, let's copy. Control C to copy. We have to paste here, right? Okay, you have to paste it here, right? Now here we have to change the name as edit student, right? Okay, this one should be edit student. We have to passing the exception, SQL exception class not found exception, right? Now here after that what I am going to do, we have to make the only thing is we have to change the query, right? Only thing we have to make the change the query, right? So here let's remove the insert code. Here we have to write the update code. So how to write the update code? Update, which table you are going to update the records? Records the table. Here you have to specify the column names, right? So let's back to our database columns. Here ST name, course and fee, right? Now here first set ST name equal question mark comma course equal question mark comma fee equal question mark, where ID equal question mark, right? This is the query you have to write. Okay, ST name, course, fee, right? The ID. Okay, now here this is the query. We have to set it the prepare statement. After that we have to set get and set method, right? The get method, right? Get ST name, get ST course, get a fee, right? This sequence of the parameters we have to set into the relevant columns like this, right? The first one should be here, second one should be this, third one should be this. The ID we have to set it here. Another we have to Control C to copy this parameter, Control V to paste here. Now here this one, fourth one should be the ID, right? Now here we have to get the ID here, right? Get ID, so get ID, right? Okay, this is the thing we have to write. Okay, after that here what's the ID is coming here, the relevant record should be updated, right? Okay, now what I'm going to do, see, we have to successfully write the edit student code. Now let's back to our edit student.jsp page, right? This is the ID coming here, right? Right, now here what I am going to do is here we have to write we have to create the object of the student class, right? Student st equal new student, right? We have to create the object of the student class. This is the object I have created, st. Click here, add import bean student, right? We have to add the package here. Inside the beans package we have a student, right? Student class I have created the object as st. Now you have to set the values. So you have to write, first one should be set id. This id you have to set this one. Second st name, so we have to set name. Second one this, same thing, control, second third one st course, so course, this course. After that st dot set fee, this fee, right? You have to set all the values of student object, right? This class object st, right? Now what I am going to do is here we have to create the object of the student DAO class. So student DAO, create the object I just create as d equal new student DAO, right? Okay, object you can create any name. I just create as D. Click here, import the package. Right. Inside the Dow package we have a student Dow class. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to create the try catch block, catch blocks. Right. Now here we have write ex dot print trace. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here we have to write the code here. We have to create the integer variable status. Right. Status equal this D dot, we have to call the method edit student. Right. Edit student. Okay. Edit student. Here we have to call this st here. The object we have to call it here. That's the thing we have to do. Right. What's the value you are set it here? What's the value you are retrieving? All the values will be passing to this variables. This variables you are set it here. This all the values are reside on this object. This object you have to call it here. Now it goes to which method? It goes to the student Dow class here. Right. It's set into all the things here. Right. Along with the ID, it is record should be updated. That's the thing does here. Right. Now what I am going to do is here after that we have to call it here the same thing. We didn't create the this one. Right. Let's back to our add student.jsp page. The same thing. This same. Right. This JSN object. This one object JSN object. Control C to copy back to our edit student.jsp page. We have to paste it here. Now we have to add the class. Here the same add student.jsp page we have to return this code. Right. Object put the success message, all the stuff we no need to write again by again. It's so boring. I just copy and paste into our edit student page as well. Right. Very simple one. Okay. Only thing we have to do. Right. Okay. Now this is the thing we have to do. Right. For our edit page. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Let's select the index.jsp page. Right click, run file. Right. Now let's click edit button. Now it's working fine. Now here I am going to change the course name as JSP. Click edit button here. Record updated. Click OK. Now here it's successfully changed JSP. Right. Now again I am going to change it here. This one. This one. I am going to change. Click edit button. Here I am going to change this course as servlet. Click here, record updated. Here its servlet is successfully updated. Now it's working fine. Right. Here it's working well. Very simple stuff I did. Right. Here. Okay. I hope you understood the video well. I will continue the class in my next lecturing.